Today I'm in Spain with VW and I'd like to show you the evolution of the Golf GTIs. But the main reason we are here is for this one and only GTI Roadster, which I will get to track. The first one is this Golf 1 GTI, which came out 50 years ago. Launched in 1975, the GTI Mark I got its iconic tartan interior upholstery from designer Gunhild Liljequist's trip to London, where she was inspired by punk style and culture. By the end of its production run, it had outsold its initial 5,000 unit target by a whopping 456,000 cars. Still in pretty good condition, smells a bit old, has this golf ball, and just a little tiny bit of wear and tear for 50 years old. The Mark II brought many upgrades with performance in mind. Power steering, a re-engineered 5-speed gearbox, and in 1987, a brand new 16-valve engine that could haul the Mark II to a max speed of 130 miles per hour. This is the Golf 3 GTI. You can see the golf ball has evolved a bit. GTI on the seats. Smells pretty old too. This is the Golf 4 GTI. Check it out. Very cool. Still has the golf ball gear knob. The Mark III and Mark IV took the GTI ethos and folded it back into a daily driver mode. But when the Mark V launched at the Frankfurt Motor Show in 2003, fans lauded the return of what made the GTI a truly special hot hatch. The Golf 6, you can see the seats, which only got better when the Mark VI launched following careful development under the watchful eye of racing driver Hans-Joachim Stuck, who helped tune VW's cutting-edge electronic differential system, crucial to the Mark VI's incredible power-to-weight ratio. Golf 7. The Mark VII launched as the most powerful GTI ever and the first to surpass a top speed of 150 miles per hour, while its successor, the Mark VIII, was heralded for its versatility as the first four-door only GTI. And you can see the gear shifter is completely gone. And now, VW have brought to life their video game Roadster concept, which has gone from Gran Turismo to the circuit in real life. This is the one-of-one GTI Roadster. Want to buy the world's coolest cars just like this, with support, clarity, and confidence? Check out sbxcars.com. Check this out. There's no roof. This GT is here because this car was designed for the Gran Turismo video game. These are 20-inch wheels. And check out this massive rear wing. Let me show you the back here. You have these sleek taillights. There's your exhaust and your carbon fiber diffuser right next to it. Now let me show you how these doors open. Butterfly doors on a Golf GTI. This is a pretty cool steering wheel here. You have your 5-point harness. Let me get in here. Oh. And check out this interior. If you look at these stickers here, these are to indicate that there are buttons up here. So you have your start, park, reverse, neutral, and drive. So because this is a concept, I cannot adjust my seat at all, and I'm pretty short, so I struggle a bit to reach the pedals, but we'll make this work. This car has a custom chassis, custom headlights, and a custom exhaust, which I've already shown you. The color is in dark moss green. Curious what a straight piped Golf sounds like? Let me show you. So I have to put my foot on the brake as hard as possible, and I have to reach this start button under here. So sick. I'm gonna track this, but before I do, let me show you another crazy Golf. See this 12? This car has a 12-cylinder engine. This original right here, only 4 cylinders. Now, obviously the 12-cylinder engine couldn't fit here, so they removed it from here, and now the engine is back here. So this Golf is now a 2-seater, where the original right here had 4 seats. The W12 comes from a Bentley Continental GT because it is part of the Volkswagen group, and it has 650 horsepower. So as you can see, the body is a bit wider here. There are more air intakes. It's a bit more reinforced, one up here, You have your carbon fiber roof. The front brakes here are from the Audi RS4, and the chassis and suspension are from the Lamborghini Gallardo. And the reason why is because both of these brands are also part of the Volkswagen group. Now let's check out the back here. So the back is a bit wider, the exhaust is more aggressive, and this 650 is for the 650 horsepower compared to 200 horsepower. Check out the interior here. It has these additional gauges and switches. And the reinforced transmission is from the VW Phaeton. Let's see what she sounds like. All right, now let's take these babies on the track. Be one of the world's first people to drive it. Have a listen. Did you hear that sound? This is a 3-liter straight-piped 6-cylinder engine with over 500 horsepower. And guess where they got this engine from? Their SUV, the Volkswagen Touareg. Now let's take it on the track. And check this out. These are soft closed doors. So now that it's started, I first have to put it in neutral before I put it in drive. Let's go. I can barely see. Can I step on it? That sounded insane. Look at my hair, tears down my face. 1 second, let me shut this off. That was absolutely incredible. Wow. I just drove the world's only GTI Roadster here in Barcelona, Spain. Thank you, VW, for making this possible, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.